Here's a quick little video about how to upload your Revit file to Google Drive if you're using VMware. If you're using something else, it's almost the same. So the first thing I'm going to do is open my Google Drive so that I have a folder open and available. Now we're into it. And I'll find my main folder. Search. I have so many of them, I have to search for it. There we go. So there's my Design 300 Fall 2021 folder. And I'll put it in, I'll just stick it in here for right now. I'm just going to stick it right in here. And so how do I get it in there? If I've saved it, of course, I have to have Revit open and I have to have saved it. So let me make sure that I've done that. Once my annotations are done, of course, I could just go and look, but I'm gonna show you a few ways that you could go about saving it so that you can see those things and what specifically you need to show in your portfolio. So here we go. It's opening up. Get rid of that, and I'll go and open from my 300 work in week 4. I'm going to open my file so that you can see. So I've got some annotated files, and there's a few ways that you can go about showing this. One way that you can show is that you can take this entire snip here, file, save as, and I'm going to call that one full sheet foundations. Be good if I spelled correctly. There's the full sheet, and then from that I can actually snip parts of it or go to each individual one. So those are in something called callouts. There they are right down there. Let me do my section one. And I could take a snip of this if I wanted to show another part of it. Here, there we go. There's a snip of just that part of it. And so this one is my section view. Of the foundations. I spelled it wrong again, shame on me. And here's my call out view. So you can take those 3 snips, and from that you will somehow be able to put your work together as you wish. I think I demonstrated it. So this is my call out view, foundations. So now I've got a bunch of things. They're in my folder. So if I go to my PC and go look for those, I'll find them. Week 4. And there's a few ways that I can get this uploaded to my Google Drive. So here's my stuff. And let me actually just put in here, this is going to be my week 4 work. I made a new folder in my Google Drive under my Design 300, and I just open it up, and I can just take that whole thing and stick it in there. That's the easiest way to do it. Or you can pick and choose. These 3 things here, 4 things, are backup files that you don't need, but it doesn't hurt. So I can just get all 4 of those and put them in here. And then I've got a pretty strong internet connection, so it won't take too long. It can take a little bit longer if your internet connection is not quite as fast. But there we go. Hopefully that's the answer to your question. And then what you're going to do is you're going to share this link. You're going to share that link. Okay, what I've done is I've said, okay, where's that folder? There's my week 4 folder. Click, share, and that's the link. And I want to change it then to anyone with the link can view. Copy that link, and that's the one that goes in there. That's where you can see the work and have it. And then, of course, you can always get those snips later on. So I hope that answers your question. Also, let's take a look really quickly at what the Minecraft, it could be, we've been having problems with Minecraft access and things like that. So let's take a look. Foundations and footings, Minecraft login. There's the Minecraft portfolio. And what I said to do was the portfolio page. So if you make the portfolio page full, that's what you want to do. You want to do what it says right there. And you want to document that you've done that. You don't need to do the badge thing. Okay, so once more, the way to go to the Minecraft is follow that link to here. And I think, well, let me go back and look and see what it says. Maybe it's not very clear. Minecraft portfolio. So that's where I'm saying to go to the portfolio section, which is right there. Minecraft portfolio. You can either go to it, open it, or make it full screen and just follow along and do what it says. Okay, and just try to follow how that goes. We've had some good success with it in the past, but I know we're having some issues with it. And the main thing is that you can export this portfolio and you have this cool PDF that looks like this, and it's really kind of neat. So I'm hoping that you guys will be able to do that because it's a great way to document your work within the Minecraft. So there we go. I'm going to stop the recording. I'll throw this onto YouTube and send out a link for you. And I hope it answers your questions. If not, just DM me back or email me back, and I'll do my best to answer any further questions. Okay, thank you.